Hi, welcome to Bioka class. This is your Dr. Ashraful Hussain. I made this channel for the student, for the peoples who wants to know about the biology, about the living things, and also for the students who wants to crack the NEET exams. So बने रहिए मेरे साथ Bioka class में. When we think about the biology, then one thing come in our mind, that is about the basic knowledge or the first chapter, that is about the cell, about the cells. ये अगर फिजिक्स का क्लास होता, so cell means what? Cell means this, that is battery. ये अगर टेक्नो का क्लास होता, so cell means क्या है? Cell means this. ये बायो का क्लास है, तो इसलिए सेल का मतलब क्या है? सेल मीन्स दिस वन. आई थिंक यू हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम योर लोअर क्लास एंड फ्रॉम द बुक्स दैट इज द सेल इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. दिस skin is a largest organ, and skin is made up of different tissues. So tissues are made up of cells. We know that is the millions of organisms are present in our environment. One is unicellular, another is multicellular. यूनिसेलुलर जो होता है, यूनिसेलुलर हम लोग उसमें क्या देखते हैं? यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट इज द मेड अप ऑफ ए सिंगल सेल, द ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच इज मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल सेल्स. सो यू कैन से दिस इज द बैक्टीरिया, this is the amoeba, this is paramecia. So these are the different types of unicellular organisms, and you can say this is the multicellular organisms, various types of insect, various types of animals, various types of plants. So these are multicellular organisms. In many videos I think you have heard about the largest cell, smallest cells. So largest cells, if I ask you that is which is the largest cell in human, then your answer will be this. This is ovum, or you can say this is an egg. But ovum is only present in the female, so what will be the largest cell in male? So this motor neuron is the largest cell in male. If I ask you which is the smallest cell in our body, then your answer will be a sperm is the smallest cell in our body. But again, a sperm is only present in the male. So what will be your answer? If I ask you that is which is the smallest cell in female body. So this cell is known as the smallest cell in the female body, and this is present in the brain. If I ask you what is the largest cell in our environment, then your answer will be ostrich egg. This cell is the largest cell. This cell is the largest cell in our environments. And this is the smallest cell in our environment, that is called mycoplasma. As we want to know about the history of cell, then this person, his name is Robert Hooke, discovered the cell in 1665 under one type of microscope. He observed there are some of the chambers present in it, or you can say there is the dried cells. This is the dried cells, or this is the cork cells. So first, this person, Robert Hooke, observed some of the chambers, and then he discovered there is this chamber you can compare with the organisms. In organisms, different types of blocks or chambers are there, that is called cell. This person is known as Leeuwenhoek, Antony von Leeuwenhoek. He discovered the living cells like bacteria, like sperms, like algae. So these are the different types of living cell was discovered by this person. His name is Leeuwenhoek. So in this video, I will show you how to observe the different types of cells at your home, with your students, with your friends, with your colleagues. For this, we don't need any type of compound microscope, or maybe the costly microscope. So these are the different types of microscope. You can see under this type of microscope we can observe the different types of cells, but these are very costly and it is very tough to carry from one place to another place. Therefore, one Indian scientist, Manu Prakash, discovered a very beautiful microscope. You can say that is the paper microscope. So I will show you the paper microscope. This is called paper microscope, or you can say this is foldscope. This is foldscope. By this one you can observe the different types of cells, tissue at your home. This is very easy to carry. You can put in your pocket, you can carry everywhere, and this is not a costly microscope. This is very cheap, you can buy online. This is called foldscope. So in next video I will show you how to observe the cell, or how to observe the different types of organs, different types of parts of different insect under this microscope. So बने रहिए मेरे साथ बायो का क्लास में।